Hey everyone, this is Matt with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the earpads on a set of Bose QC25s. As you can see, these are not Bose QC25s, but the process is the exact same for these headphones, for the 15s, for the 35s, the 35-2, and the 45. Bose kept it nice and simple for us. Let's go ahead and remove these earpads. So I just pulled this off without telling you, but basically you just stick a finger towards the back and you can kind of feel the ridge of this foam, and then you just pull on the front. You don't have to be super careful if your earpads are trashed, obviously, and then the whole earpad should just come out. It's literally just held in place by this kind of foam and plastic locking ring, but it's kind of flexible, so it's not super breakable. And then we'll go ahead and just remove the second one. Once again, really easy. You just pull one part and then you can peel the whole earpad off. Gotta love Bose for that. And now we are gonna go ahead and throw the new earpads on, but before we do that, I wanted to show you the difference between real earpads and aftermarket earpads. So the blue foam indicates that these are not authentic, or they're not original. The yellow foam is what Bose typically uses, and it has a little bit more density to it. It tends to rebound a little bit slower, but over time it holds its shape better, and it's also a little more dense. So these, if you were in person here, you could feel how satisfying it is to squish this side. This side feels kind of hollow, almost like it has extra fabric on it. And so that extra last bit of puff, they might look a little bit thicker. It's actually basically just air, it feels like. And they tend to, from our experience, just flatten out over time much faster than the OEM earpads. So we sell these, we also sell these. It's kind of up to you. These are a little bit cheaper. This is what I'd recommend. I find them to be more comfortable. I have glasses, and so Bose headphones are kind of my go-to for comfort. They just work really well for me. So anyways, little lesson on foam there that you probably didn't know you needed. But now we'll go ahead and put our yellow foam on here. This is our right earpad, and the earpads are basically just interchangeable for the side. It doesn't really matter. So what you're gonna do is basically just set one side in, and you can kind of hear it snapping into place as I push it in there. And that's the sound you're looking for. Missed a little spot there. All right, and then after you've put it in, you just want to go back around and tug on the leather, and you shouldn't see any of that ring sticking up, and we don't. So now, before I put that next earpad on, I just wanted to talk about these here real quick. You don't need to replace this when you replace your earpads. It's just held on by two pieces of double-sided tape, so it's really easy to remove. But basically, you just pull this back, and you can see it's just held on by tape over here and over there. So if these aren't nasty, I wouldn't worry about replacing them. The earpads tend to get nastier before these get nastier. But if yours are nasty, these come with the earpads. So now let's go ahead and put this one on. And it's just the same process. You can basically take one corner of it, slide it in there, and then you peel the foam back and just work your way around with a finger, just pushing that ring into place. We'll do the tug test. You can see we missed a little spot there. Slide that back in. Love it. All right. Both those earpads are on, and if you guys have any questions about this, feel free to leave them in the comments. It's a pretty simple process, but we'd love to help you if you have any questions. We also offer services for Bose headphones and parts. We don't offer them for the QC25s, services that is, but we do have some parts for them. So if you're looking for earpads or other parts, you just have questions about why yours aren't working or whatever, we sell parts for these, so feel free to reach out to us. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a good day.